What's up, guys, and good morning from beautiful Nassau, Bahamas. We're just docking this morning. It's about 8:55, almost 9 o'clock, and we've got an amazing day coming up for us. Today we're heading over to Margaritaville here in Nassau and checking out all the fun that they have in their day pass package. So be sure to subscribe with those notifications on, smash that thumbs up button, and let's get the day going. Check out right now, Independence of the Seas pulling into port beside of us. Peter and I have also been on this ship, so if you want to check out those videos, there's a link up at the top of the screen right now. Click on that, go check out that amazing series. It was a lot of fun. And then over here we have a Carnival ship decked in the new Carnival Liberty for their 50th birthday celebration. I am not sure which one it is at this point. It's definitely not like the Sunshine because, you know, I don't see a water park on the back of it, so, and it's not the Sunrise either, I don't believe. So it's you know, it could be the Conquest, it could be the Liberty. Trying to think if there's any others that are that size. I can't think of any right now. But yeah, Carnival ship out there going to be docked with us as well. We'll know soon enough who it is. And here comes one of the tour boats right now. Down here, a bunch of people heading out for their tours and excursions this morning. Nassau has they've got a ton of tours for you. So if you're looking for an excursion, something to do, I would recommend that you do something in Nassau. You know, if you want to get off and walk around in town, you certainly can do that. They have us in your frogs. They have lots of shopping. But an excursion is great in Nassau, and I think it definitely could make your experience a lot better if you do an excursion. Yeah, just keep that in mind. Now today, we're actually going to be heading out to Margaritaville, which is right over here. It's really close to the port area. Really excited to go check that out. They have a water park. They have a few slides. They have like a jumping cliff. They have a nice beach access, some food available. So I'm really, really excited to go over and check that out today, see what that's all about. Here's a quick look at the progress on the new terminal here in Nassau. So they are actually building a whole welcome center over here. They're kind of refurbing the piers here and updating them, making them a little more modern, a little more safe. Things are looking like they're going really good. It looks like they're also going to have, I think this has been here, this pier section, but for smaller boats to dock, it looks like they'll have that over there. I think this is supposed to be done maybe next year, if not next year, 2024 or 2025 for sure. But yeah, it looks like great progress is coming on that. It's every time we come here, we get a nice little update from it, and this is definitely the most that I've seen. It looks like they have this whole dry land area here just about completely finished now. We're back at the Solarium Bistro this morning for breakfast. A little bit longer line than yesterday, so hopefully it'll go quickly. But we really enjoyed the food selection. It's basically the same thing as Windjammer, so I was gonna say, you know, if you want a less crowded option, but I don't know, Peter, what do you think? It might still be less crowded than Windjammer.
I don't know.
But it's definitely not a zero line situation. Scratch that. That line has not moved in the last like 7 minutes. Like literally we didn't move 1 inch. So I don't know what they got going on up there. So we're gonna actually come up here to Windjammer and check out Windjammer for breakfast. Ooh. Quite the crowd in here in Windjammer as well. I think, you know, maybe because it's Nassau, a lot of people aren't getting off the ship right now. A lot of folks, you know, planning to just kind of take it as a later morning. Nassau's a top cruise port on a lot of itineraries. I know several of you may have not been here, but several of you may have been here, you know, a dozen times or so. So you're going to stay on the ship a little later than you maybe normally would on another port day. All right, so here's what I grabbed from the buffet. So I got some hash browns here. I'm interested to try these out because they looked a little more crispy than my liking. So yeah. So I'm interested to check those out. I got a little egg right there, a bunch of sausage. I actually grabbed a little bit of sausage, and I grabbed this one too because these looked a little greasy the more that I looked at them. So I'm skeptical of those as well. Chocolate donut, I know it's going to be fantastic. I got a little biscuit here. Tried a little piece of this special pork that they've got going on today, and of course some bacon. So let's dig in, guys. Bon appetit. Time to go, time to go. Exit this way. Just kidding, going this way. There's our ship, Peter. Look at it.
The best ship in port.
Gorgeous harmony of the sea. It really is the best ship in port. We were here with the Independence, and then it was the Carnival Liberty. Oh man, so we're gonna walk to Margaritaville today. Or attempt to anyway. We've been told it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk, so it shouldn't be too bad. So we're just gonna go out in the port area here. Lots of construction going on right now in the port area, but that's okay. They're gonna make it great for us here in the near future. Nassau, it's really, really gonna be a beautiful port to come and visit. You're definitely gonna wanna come check it out. We're making the trek, we're making the walk. A visit to Nassau is always interesting. We'll call it interesting. They, you know, respect the hustle, but boy, do they hustle here. You just gotta know your mission. You gotta stick to your mission. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Peter?
You can't divert from the mission.
Do not divert from your mission, because you will end up with a $20 hair braid and a $100 island tour. We're here, we made it. That wasn't bad. That was what, maybe a 10-minute walk? 15-minute walk? Yeah, that wasn't bad. That was not bad at all. Now we went ahead and pre-purchased our tickets through Resort for a Day, and redeeming them here at Margaritaville was super simple. We just visited the ticketing window and they were able to scan our tickets and check us in. If you want, I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can check it out and purchase yours. All right, coming on in. There they are over there. Wow, it is gorgeous in here. So we got the lazy river. You got a little lagoon area here. We got some water slides and a jumping platform. I think it's into like 9 feet of water or something. Lots of fun to have today. In addition to, of course, lots of beach for us to use. We've got food available for purchase. It is not included in your resort ticket, but you can buy it. So just keep that in mind. You know, you don't have to go hungry all day, as well as drinks and all that good stuff. So I'm excited to check it out a little bit. Margaritaville here in Nassau, Bahamas. All right, let's do it, fam. Woo! It's a little chilly, but it's still pretty good. Oh, fun! Yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's a nice big hot tub. Oh man, it's hot too. That's nice. Look at this. Fun little slide area over here. Right. I think I'm gonna try and go to, oh wait, well this is a slide down. Hello! I can go down there? Great, thank you! Alright, let's go. Oh! Woo! Paddleboarding. Uh-oh. All right, gang, we're leaving. We're leaving Margaritaville. Peter, what do you think?
I liked it.
You liked it? Huh?
Stairs, Josh.
Do not die. Do not fall down the stairs, please. I liked it. I told Peter it was really good. I think if there was even a welcome drink included, if there was a welcome drink included, anything like that, over the top. It would have been over the top. I mean, it was like, don't get me wrong, we loved our day here. We really did. I wish there was a drink voucher or a small food voucher or something like that included. But I mean, like, look at this. Look at the attention to detail, y'all. Look at that. It was really an absolutely amazing day. We're gonna walk back to the ship now. So remember, it's only about a 15-minute walk. We're gonna head up to Mini Bites and have some mini bites because we do have formal night tonight, so we don't want to spoil our dinner. back on board. Oh, look, over here's the Carnival Liberty. Let's see what they're up to. Oh, look at there. They got a nice afternoon on the pool going too. We definitely don't want to eat too much because it's 3:30 right now. So we do have 4-night dinner tonight, and of course, we want to have plenty of room for all that yummy food coming tonight. We got lots of yummy stuff here. Mini Bites was good. I give it 2 thumbs. Well, here I give it 1 thumb up, and my other thumbs up, but you can't see it. It was good. I got the little chicken tender things they had, French fries, a little bit of chips and salsa. What else was on my plate? Oh, the chicken quesadilla. And there wasn't a lot of chicken in the chicken quesadilla. It was just more like a cheese quesadilla, but it was still good. Great flavor. I just didn't see a lot of chicken in there. But yeah, this was a great snack. I think right now we're just gonna kind of chill out. Have a little one of Peter's favorite things. What is it called? Nap. I think we're all gonna have. Yeah, Scott goes, what could that be? We're all gonna have a quick, chill session, nap time, because we do have formal night tonight. We got a big night ahead of us. We want to be ready for it. So we'll see you in just a little bit. All ready for elegant evening this evening. Look at us. Look at us.
Look at us.
We're ready. We're good to go. We've gotten changed up. We've just left Nassau, Bahamas. I'll pop outside here in just a second and let you take a look and see where we're at. But right now we're heading down to meet up with the rest of our gang at the Bionic Bar. It's kind of our meeting spot. That's, well, one of two. It's either there or Bolero's. I feel like that's the 2 big spots that we meet up at.
Yeah.
So we're heading down to meet them there. Gonna head into the main dining room to see what they're gonna have for us for dinner tonight. Everybody's getting those cruise photos done. Look at this, the lines are kind of starting to get long. It's, what, 6:30 now. Now is the time that everybody tries to get those photos done. So way off in the distance there is Nassau. We just left about an hour ago. And we're making our way to Jamaica now. The captain came on and actually told us that it's gonna take all 4. He said 4 thrusters. I thought we only had 3, but he said 4. 4 thrusters to get us down to Jamaica. So we're gonna be going super, super fast as we make our way down to Jamaica. Check it out, look at these things go. We are pushing. And it's views like this that really, really make me love cruising. Let's head in the dining room. It's time for formal night. Well, welcome to the main dining room for our first formal night of this Caribbean cruise. I'm excited to check out all the food that we got. It looks like there's some yummy options on the menu. Let me let you take a look, and I want to hear from you down below. What would you have? What would you have on the menu tonight if you were here with us, joining us for this elegant evening? Over in the starter section, I'm 100% in Team Crispy Calamari. That is what is coming to the table for me. Breaded and fried squid rounds served with a fennel salad and chipotle lime aioli. You're excited for that too, right? Yeah. We always get the calamari. I feel like I just go tunnel vision whenever I see calamari. Like nothing else matters on the menu to me. It's just calamari or nothing. Over in the main courses section, the lemon butter baked cod sounded really delicious. I think, Peter, you're getting that? Sorry, so we're going to get to see the cod tonight then. But I also ended up ordering the duck a la orange as well as the roasted beef tenderloin. I can't remember. I feel like I didn't like the tenderloin as much last time. I feel like it was dry, so I'm hoping for a chance at redemption today, and maybe it'll be excellent. But the duck, I feel like I think the duck was dry too in the Oasis. Yeah. It was the duck that was dry. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm excited to see what the Harmony Culinary team can do for us. And then for desserts, I was so close to choosing carrot cake because I've had their carrot cake. I thought it was really well done. But I ended up going actually with the apple blossom a la mode again that I got last night. I really enjoyed it last night. I thought it was, I don't know, it might be one of my new favorites. I'm not too worried on sampling the quality of that. Yeah, Teresa loved the cheesecake. So Frank, what did you get?
The beef tenderloin.
The beef tenderloin, okay.
And then, well, I got the Caesar salad to start.
Okay, so Caesar salad, beef tenderloin, and then
I did the carrot cake, and then of course the cheesecake, because I don't miss that.
See what I mean? People love the cheesecake. So I'm excited for all the courses to get to the table. I'll let you know how they are in just a moment. We're in the full swing of things for dinner dinner tonight. For me, a clear winner on the main courses is going to be not the short rib. What was this thing called?
Beef tenderloin.
Beef tenderloin.
It's really good.
A clear winner for me would be the beef tenderloin. The duck is good. It's great. It's got a good flavor. Definitely better than it was on Oasis of the Seas or wherever it was the last time that I got it on a Royal Cruise. But it's just, to me, it honestly kind of just tastes like baked chicken. Like they could have put baked chicken in the oven and called it duck, and I don't think I'd have known the difference.
Okay.
So it wasn't. I mean, it was good. It's good, but it's nothing amazing about it to me. The beef tenderloin is really, really tasty though. Very flavorful. Mushroom sauce that they put on top of it really, I think, brought the whole dish together with the mashed potatoes. It had some asparagus, but I already crunched down on those asparagus. I thought it was flavorful. How was your cod?
It was delicious.
Yeah. There's
The
nothing.
sauce was so good, right? The sauce was good.
There's nothing left of it. You said the sauce was good?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
The topping was so crunchy.
Very good, very good. Peter, I think we're about to hit some storms, buddy. Look at this outside. Carl, did you hate the beef tenderloin?
I loved it. I never ever finish my food, and I eat the whole plate.
He never finishes his food, ate the entire, look, he licked the bowl, y'all.
My family would be so proud.
Mommy would say that you get dessert.
Exactly.
Yep. Mama would say that Carl gets dessert. Dinner was fantastic, but it's time to test the fates. You guys ready? Peter, we're going all on black or all on red?
I'm wearing a red shirt, so red.
But I'm well, this is navy
Oh yeah,
blue.
like you're wearing a...
This is navy blue, so we're gonna go with red. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. As always, there's no recording in here, so we'll see you in just a little bit. Peter, how up are you? How up are you? How was the casino?
It was fun.
It was fun. How much are you up?
You mean down?
Oh yeah, that's right. Nah, we're only down. I think I'm down $40 and he's down $30 or something. We've been playing for 2 hours, I think. So, you know, I mean, we've had a good time down there.
Couldn't go anywhere else and have that much fun time.
No way. So, I think this is where we're gonna finish off our night. Like I said, you know, not a lot of shows or anything for us to partake in this cruise. It's a little weird. We don't know why. It just is how it is. Oh goodness, the wind is so crazy, y'all. We're gonna finish you guys out right here. So I do hope that you enjoyed the day today in Nassau and Margaritaville. If you did, be sure and hit that subscribe button right down below this video. Ding the notification bell and tune in tomorrow for our first sea day here on board Harmony of the Seas. We're gonna get blown away! Oh my God!